friends. It has been a long time since I have done a video. And so I wanted to hop on here and just say hello and apologize for not producing a video in such a long time. It has been crazy. As you can tell, well, you probably can't tell, but anyway, we are in our new house and we have had a wonderful holiday. We had a great Thanksgiving and Christmas and New Year. And so we finally are moved in. We have not completely settled in 100%, mainly because our oldest son moved out of his old apartment and he's waiting on his new apartment to come available. So we have a lot of his stuff in the garage. We were just getting to the point where our garage was ready for us to at least park one car in there, but now we have all of his stuff. And so we still can't park in our garage, but that's okay because he's at home and we love having him here. So anyway, as you can tell, just a quick little thing real quick. So I'm in our office in our new house and let me see. I don't really want to show too much of it because it's still kind of a mess, but it's just a small little room. We've got our little door here, barn door, and there's the back corner is right there. We've got a high window. I didn't want a full window just because I'm super hot natured. And so I didn't want the sun, the afternoon sun, to come in because right behind this wall is our outdoor patio. And I didn't want the hot sun to come into this office and make it even more miserable for me to be in the heat. So anyway, it's just a small little room, but I wanted to tell you real quick, see this little swag right here? I happen to love it. I got two little swags that I put together from Hobby Lobby. And let me show you up close if I can. So that right there is a flower, like a navy blue flower that I put in the middle of it to kind of drape it up. But my husband hates it. It's kind of funny because he's like, well, I thought this was going to be my office. No, you have an office at your job and this is my home office. So I wanted it to be girly. So voila, pom-poms. He calls them pom-poms, even though I guess they kind of are, but I just thought it was really cute. So I wanted it. Anyway, into the video, I just have a few little items that I picked up from the Target Bullseye Playground. And I don't really decorate for Valentine's Day, and a lot of what they have right now is for Valentine's Day, so I really didn't want to get much from that selection. So, but I did find a few things that I thought were cute, I thought I might be able to use, and so I wanted to share them with you today. So the first thing I want to show you are these two little, they call them rope drawer bins, and they come in a pack of 2, but it's just this woven basket, and it's square shaped, so they're both square, and I don't think it gives really a dimension. No, it doesn't give any dimensions, but it's not very, let me see if I have a, nope. I thought I might have a, what do you call it? Measuring tape in here, but I don't. So, well, I'm gonna give you an approximate. So the big basket is about the size of my hand, and then the smaller one just fits inside of it. And it's maybe like 3 inches deep, but it's perfect. I don't know that I'm gonna use it for drawer bins because I think they're cute. It's a gray color, and I think gray was the only color they had. They do have some taller, like maybe, I don't know, a foot tall and round woven baskets similar to this. but like with the bottom part maybe gray and then the top part like a cream color. And they were cute, but I don't really, I've got to watch what all I buy, just nonsense stuff. But anyway, I knew I wouldn't use it, so I didn't get it. But anyway, this one was only $5, which is pretty good quality. Like, these are really good quality. They're not very flimsy at all. So these were $5 and I thought they were really cute. So the second thing that I got, and I'm probably gonna need to make it a little sturdier because you see it wiggles around, but it's this little topiary, and it comes in a clay colored clay pot. And this was, I want to say this was $5. It may have been $3. I don't know why the price tag is off, but I'm probably gonna paint this maybe navy, or maybe navy with some gold around the bottom part. I think that would be pretty. But this is just something great to sit on a shelf, or, you know, put in your bathroom, by your bathtub. Just something to add a little greenery to any space in your house. So I thought this was cute. Another thing that I bought, they had 2 different versions of these, but it was $5. Probably too much for a little book like this, but I don't know if any of you know, but well, right before all the COVID stuff happened last year, I had just started a home organizing business. And so I thought this book would come in handy because it's called Simple Organizing Wisdom, but it was $5. And I thought that would be, you know, something good just to have on hand for ideas, or even to show, you know, customers different ideas. So I got that one. There was another one, but I don't remember the name of it, but it was similar to this for $5. Now that I think about it, that's a lot. This should be like $3. I would be okay with $3, but $5 may be a little too much. Is that cheap? I don't know. Maybe. So the next thing is called a chalkboard. Anyway, it's chalkboard, and on this side it says things I should get done, and then on the back it has the days of the week. Can you see it? That ring light's in the way, but days of the week with the boxes. And on this side it gives you a stand that you can set. There's a line right here, a groove that you can set it in, and it also comes with a chalk pen, which is cool. So, and this was $3, and I thought this was really cute. I'm actually gonna use this in my office. Another thing that I got was this wreath. Obviously, I need to probably tie this down here just so it doesn't stick up like that, because that looks funky, but just to tie it down. But it's boxcar stem, boxcar, Lord have mercy, boxwood stems that make up the wreath. And I just figured, you know, I can use it somewhere. And this was $3 as well, so not a bad deal. Because honestly, I've bought little packets from the dollar spot at Target of boxwood stems, and you get like 4 stems for $1. And so this definitely is more than 3 packs of those, so it's worth the $3. A couple other things. I just bought some hand lotion. Perfect size for your purse. It was only $1. Look, I went into a store. I'm not gonna say the store, but I went into a store before Christmas because I needed some hand lotion, because with the cold weather, my hands have been so dry, and I just wanted something this size, and I bought something actually a little smaller. And when I got to the car, I didn't really pay attention when I was in the store, but when I got to my car, I looked, $8. I paid $8. So you can bet your bottom dollar I'm taking it back, because I'm not paying $8 for a small little thing of hand lotion when I can get something for $1. And this is lavender. And it has a seal, so I can't smell it here. It actually smells pretty good. Oh yeah, it smells good. It smells like lavender. So for $1, yeah, I'm not paying $8. Melissa doesn't pay $8 for hand lotion. Not even a big bottle. No. Okay, packable cups for $1. You get 2. Yes, you get 2. Comes in this little handy dandy bag, which I haven't opened yet. Let's see, hold on. Well, goodness sakes. Let me just open it down here. Do I really need to open it? Yeah, because I want y'all to see. I can't open it. I'm just gonna rip it open. I won't ever use this little Ziploc bag anyway, but I wanna see what they look like. So, you get these 2 little silicone cups, and they stay, I thought maybe they would come like unfold or something, but they don't. So I guess if you don't want to drink out of a water fountain, or if you just need, oh, you know what? So my kids always want a waterfall out of my water bottles, and I hate it because we don't drink after each other in my household, just because I'm kind of a germaphobe. This would be good. I could just pour them a little water in here, and they can drink it instead of water falling out of my water bottle and risk touching their lips to my water bottle. That's actually kind of cool. Okay, I like that, especially for $1. Oh, I got 2 packs of those. Okay. The last thing is, and this is actually really cute, and it's worth the money. It was $5, but it's a tier tray. Oh no, I actually have one other thing. But this is a tier tray, and it is made of, I would say it's a natural material, but it's not, because it kind of feels like plasticky, but it looks, I'm trying to see if it says what it's made of. No, not for direct food contact, so you can't set your cookies on it. Clean with a dry cloth only. I don't know, maybe it is. But anyway, it's a cute, cute tiered tray, and it has the lip on it, so your stuff's not gonna fall off. And it gives you that natural color, so that everything's like my house is all white and gray colors. So I like decorating with some of this so that it kind of breaks up the white and gray. And it was $5, and to me, it's worth $5. It's, you know, it's pretty tall. Anyway, the last thing is actually a Valentine's Day decor. It's a tiered tray, and it's metal, and it has the little heart up here. So I'll probably use this maybe at my coffee bar. And this was $5 as well. And it has the little rubber stoppers on the bottom so that it doesn't, like, you know, scratch your surface or anything like that. So this was $5 as well. Anyway, that is all that I got from Target. Like I said, they have a lot of Valentine's Day stuff out. They have, they have puzzles. They have 100 count puzzles, 500 count puzzles, and even 1,000 count puzzles. So go check them out if you're looking for puzzles for your kids or for yourself. I love puzzles. They had like Valentine's Day cards for, you know, like classroom exchange. They had little toys, but mostly a lot of Valentine's Day stuff and spa stuff. But I don't really do home spa stuff, so I didn't get that. But anyway, thank you so much for coming back to my channel and watching this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Tell me something that you would like to see in one of my future videos, or just say hello. And if this is your first time to ever visit my channel, I appreciate so much you coming by, and I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel so that you can be a part of my family, my YouTube family. So anyway, again, I'm so sorry it has been so long since I posted a video, but I'm gonna try to get better. I don't like making videos when my family's at home. So that is why it has been so long, because everybody has been home a lot. And I love my family, but it's a lot. So anyway, thanks again. I hope you have a great day. I hope you're having a great new year, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.